2021 Toyota Camry. Starting to put a lights over here, and now to remove this shield, lower shield, couple of bolts over here, and what I'm guessing it is have a nuts space, so put a nut and rest of the wiring I'll do it.
I had lost my handle.
Good thing on this clips is you have to just push it and take it out. That's how you take it out. You don't have to break it. Okay, bolts are over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6, 7 bolts. All are 10 millimeter. And that's it. Okay, don't break this thing because these are more important, and they have a 3 Phillips screws and they have enough space from the back side. You can put it on. Once you fix this thing, then you have to run the wiring aftermarket, and this is how it goes. All are aftermarket, but don't break these clips because these are a little bit important. They have two systems in it. One is daylight running, and one is indicator flasher, or let's see how it goes. And these are all aftermarket. You can buy a original harness as well from the Toyota dealership or anywhere, but this is aftermarket. But you have to run the wiring, and it's enough space from here to take it out the wires over here, and you can run it from here to the other side or other side to come over here and go down. Enough space to make it wiring done, so you don't need to take it out your bumper, but if you want, that's your choice. Okay, that's how it works. And rest of the wiring design, you want to use it if you want to use the original Toyota wiring, and then you have to replace the wiper assembly as well, because they have a switch over there, and rest of the thing in the fuse boxes. But if you're using aftermarket, it's up to you. Either you you want to put it with the switch, or you want to put it with the main headlights. It's up to you. Wiring, I'll show you what I'm doing it. Rest of it's your choice what you wanted to do it, but I'm just giving you an idea how it works. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.